Hey, what's up? And I'm bored, so we're gonna be playing. What the fuck? I thought I had that. It doesn't matter. We're gonna be playing Insurgency, Sandstorm. Insurgency, the Sandstorm. I guess that's what it's called. I forgot. Uh, oh shit. There we go. I'll probably just choose this class. Wait. Oh, they don't got a revolver. Okay, it don't matter. Oh, it's capture. Let's capture. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's behind me. Wait, no, that's not behind me. I mean, I don't know where the fuck I'm getting shot from. Hopefully it won't matter. I think I might have clicked the wrong thing.
Wait, hold on.
Cause I was trying to do a fucking whatchamacallit, just a solo one, but I guess I might have pressed something different. It don't matter. What the fuck? It was I think friendly fire is a thing. You know what? Fuck it. This is not kind of what I wanted to play. What the fuck? You think someone's deep throating someone? I mean, I know y'all can't hear that. Obviously not really, but still. Sounds like they're having a stroke. Okay, so now we're gonna be playing a different game mode that I wanted to actually kind of play. Never fucking mind. Apparently, we're still fucking playing the same bullshit, even though this is not what I wanted to do. This is some bullshit. I did not want to fuck. Hold on. Okay, now I'm actually playing free for all because I like free for all more.
Come on.
Hopefully y'all can't hear what they're saying.
Behind you guys.
I mean, it's not like they're saying anything bad right now, or like last time. I'm gonna stick with this actually, except for no, not that. I'm gonna take that off. Okay. Oh, I hate this map. Yep, there we go. Because it's easy to get killed on. You literally have to be looking everywhere or you die. Just like that. I'm not gonna lie. Even though it's... Come on. Even though it's easy to die, it's fucking fun. God damn it. I hate that fucking shotgun. That shotgun's a fucking sniper. That doesn't make any sense. Let's see, what could I change it for? I might keep it like that. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I didn't even live a fucking second. Okay. Go. Oh my god. Fuck. Damn, I can't even look. This map fucking sucks. I mean, Yeah, I barely started playing, but even then, this map sucks. What the oh shit. Where the fuck is this dude? Oh, okay. Well, I just learned something new. That's not the point. Oh, fuck. Snipers. See, that doesn't make any sense. How is that shotgun a fucking sniper? That's bullshit. See what I... Look at that fucking distance. That distance is fucking crazy for a shotgun. Oh, come on. Fuck this. You know what? I want a shotgun now. Yeah, I'm not gonna be a pussy and use that. I'm gonna use a different one. Oh, that ain't matter because it's already fucking over. God damn it. Man. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of hope y'all can hear them talking, but most likely y'all can't. Fuck it. I don't. God damn. That's a lot of votes for that one. I bet it's gonna be a dick of a map. Alright. Okay. I'm totally ready to die constantly. The silence is ass. And also loading is fucking ass. This shit takes too damn long to load up. The loading is taking so fucking long. %50 of the game feels like just dying, and the other 30% is fucking loading screens. The last 20% is just the game. That's how it feels like. Because you can't even go 1 second without getting sniped with a fucking shotgun. Can the fucking game start? God damn. Hurry the fuck up, stupid whore. God damn, it took forever. Fuck, it's already starting. Fuck him. Okay, let's see. Let's grab that. Watch me die real quick, fast. Okay. God fucking damn it. I kind of, it looks like it's really big and open wide, but it's really not. It's fucking It don't matter. Ooh. Oh, I'm a terrible shot. Oh, never mind. Got him. Fuck! God damn it! I wasn't loaded. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. What's my secondary again? Oh, it's a revolver. God damn it. I might get me the. Oh shit, someone here. Let's see if I can sneak up on him. Bro, I suck. God damn. Oh shit! Fuck, my thing is lagging.
No way!
And of course the sniper got me. Shit, hold on. Okay, fuck. I really hope y'all can't hear him. Let's change class.
Oh, shut the fuck up, you're dead.
Fuck it, let's use the FAL.
No, I'm dead.
What is good?
You're dead like shit, bruh.
Okay, let's go for a holographic. And okay, that's it. Let's just go. Oh fuck! They already killed me. Okay, that's just great. Oh, it didn't matter because oh, it's just AFK. Oh, this looks so wrong. It looks like a school, but it's not.
Stop talking Arabic, you're fucking suicidal.
Come on, at least just one more kill. Oh, my Wi-Fi is kind of bugging. Oh no, this is a school. Cause column. I mean, nothing. Okay. Come on, this is boring as fuck. Where are the people at? Man, nah. Can't make that joke. Not right now. Get here shooting. Fuck. Hate that fucking shotgun. God damn it. What? I guess I really do hope y'all can't hear them. Oh. Come on, hurry up. Load faster. Fuck, someone else. Oh, it's a stupid sniping bitch. That stupid bitch got him. Yeah, well, guess what? Fuck you, you're a fat, you're a cunt. You're a cunt. Oh, is that fucker?
I'm hit! I'm hit!
I swear to God, if it's a shotgun, okay, there. I don't really care. As long as it wasn't a shotgun, because that shit pisses me off. Oh my God, they're already sniping. They're already sniping. Snipers. Grenade. Let's see if I could. Fuck it. Fuck it. Jesus, grenades take a while to go off. Oh, this doesn't lead anywhere. Come on, go through the damn window. Oh, fuck. God. At least he's using a different gun. That's all I care. He's using a different gun. It's like a fucking shotgun. Dude, my game is lagging like a bitch right now. Jesus, you just hear the fucking screaming. Oh, come on. I should have looked behind me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No, fuck. Fuck. Do not die. Come on. Literally walked in. Oh, come on. Oh, chaos over there. God damn it. Why does it always look like it's fucking open? It looks like a space to go, but it's never. Run, 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 run. Get off the street, get off the street. Come on, run, you piece of shit. Oh, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Come on, god damn it. It was behind me. Oh, shit, there's a hole. Guess you can't close it anymore. Switch guns. Oh, it didn't matter. Of course, it's the fucking shotgun. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Let's see what I get here. Go. I got my own. Oh my god, I can't even see my own gun now. Hopefully that helps so I can see now. Nope, can't see my gun. What the fuck? What do I pick up? That's not what I want to fucking do. Oh my god. Ugh. What the hell? Looks like I have myself in my own hands. Wait. What do I pick up this? I can see my grenades. That's not what I want to do. Well, there's no fucking point in this game. Oh my god, why is it bugging right now? Let's see if we can see that. No, but now I can see my pistol. Oh, didn't matter. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna cut it right here because my shit's lagging. And hopefully someone watches this.